Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. You will love this fresh green and totally delicious chimichurri sauce recipe. It's flavorful, healthy, and can be prepared in less than 5 minutes. But wait! What is chimichurri, you may be asking? Chimichurri is a loose oil-based condiment used to accompany barbecued meats. Let's begin making the Argentinian chimichurri sauce. I usually get a large handful of parsley. Make sure you finely chop your parsley. Chimichurri's main herb ingredient is finely chopped leaf parsley for that perfectly fresh bite. Next, let's prepare cilantro. But if you aren't a fan of cilantro, this is optional. But I love using cilantro. Next, let's add 1 cup of olive oil. Let's also prepare fresh oregano. Finely chopped. I want to keep the oregano flowers. Look at that, looks so pretty. Moving on, let's prepare 2 fresh Fresno peppers. You can also substitute it with 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried red chili flakes. Make sure to finely chop. Next, let's prepare 2 cloves of garlic. But if you like the strong flavor of garlic, use 4 cloves. Let's also add 1/2 of lemon. I use lemon juice as a substitution, but if you have red wine vinegar is the best vinegar for chimichurri. Then let's add salt. Chimichurri can be adjusted to your taste. Add more salt, more pepper, less or more chili. It's up to you. Let's add the fresh ground black pepper. Mix well together. Chimichurri sauce can be prepared earlier than needed and refrigerated for 24 hours if needed. I am craving for a barbecue today. You are welcome to join me. Have a seat, have a drink, and enjoy the music. Chimichurri sauce? This herby, garlicky, tangy, spicy, and very green condiment is great on all kinds of grilled meats. I also use this sauce for my favorite grilled eggplant. Let's enjoy! That is cooking simply delicious! Thank you for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time!